room tour. Okay. And sliding. No, it's not sliding. I'm high. Oh yeah. Oh, this is the bathroom. Oh my gosh, baka walang brush. I have hand wash, body lotion, towels. Towels. And there with shower gel and conditioning shampoo. Okay. And this is their coffee area with 2 cups. Coffee mate, Nescafe. May tea ba? Yes, they have tea. This is another one with iron. Extra pillow. Okay, so this is the room. OMG. So nice. They have big mirror on in the front, TV, table, and wow, another table. And this one, I think. How do you turn this off? Oh, I don't know. What's this? Ano ito? And I think they have. Ano ito? Oh, it's locked. Bakit nakalock? This is the view. Okay, walang view. This is his hotel. That's the Narcissus Hotel. The Centro Olaya Ewa Express Hotel. Oh, okay. So ito yung Ewa. Walang view actually. Okay. So, request ako toothpaste, brush, sleeper, water. Sa housekeeping department. Yes, you can request. So, nag-request ako ng 2 extra water and then toothpaste and toothbrush plus sleeper. So, binigyan ako ng 2 sleeper. So, pwede naman kayo mag-request dito ng mga kailangan nyo. Kasi initially, hindi sila naglagay. Baka nakalimutan ng boy or what. So, yan. Matutulog muna ako.